Essential EGL+Batch. This video series features EGL Development Tools version 0.8. In this episode, we're going to install Remote Systems Explorer. The first thing we need to do is switch to the superuser account, because in order to update Eclipse for all users, we have to be a super user. And then we switch to the /opt/eclipse.org/EGL web directory and start Eclipse with /eclipse. I'm going to use /root/workspace as my workspace just to install RSE. Now with the workbench up and running, I need to pull down the Help menu and select Install New Software. We need to add a repository and use the repository URL for Remote Systems Explorer. Once that is added, we can see the option TM and RSE 3.3.1 main features. We want to select that. That's what we want to install. And next and next, we read the software license. We read through all that legal terms and select I agree and finish. And then Eclipse goes about installing the Remote Systems Explorer. So we're adding the Remote Systems Explorer to EGL Development Tools. We need to restart the IDE, and I want to restart now. And it brings up the workspace. I'll click OK. I want to confirm that it is now possible to switch to the Remote Systems Explorer perspective. Make sure that we have RSE installed. And there it is. Now I'm going to cancel that and exit Eclipse. And now I need to switch back to my regular account. And I'll switch directories to /opt/eclipse.org/EGL web again and start Eclipse with /eclipse. And I'll go to the default workspace for me. I'm going to go ahead and switch perspectives now to the Remote Systems Explorer perspective. And by default, we'll get a local connection, which does not include a terminal. I want to add a new connection. So I right-click and do New Connection, and we want a Linux connection. And we're going to add a connection to the local host. But I prefer to have localhost spelled out all in lowercase. We're going to verify the host name. And I include SSH files, and next, and process shells Linux, and next, and SSH shells next, and then SSH terminals, and finish. That configures my connection to my local Linux. Now to connect, I right-click on SSH terminals and sign in, and here I have a connection. And this connection is a terminal, so I can do things just like I do in another terminal emulator. In this case, I'm going to remove some of the stuff that was left over from installing EGL before. This is another episode of Essential EGL+Batch. Thanks for watching.